Welcome back everybody. Today's video is on this Ryobi Trimmer slash Edger all-in-one Model P2080. It is a weed trimmer set up like this. And you can also go ahead and just depress this and it flips over. It has a wheel on the edge. It turns into a lawn edger. So this is my first time using it. I'm going to try doing a little bit of edging and we'll see how it works. So the first area I'm going to try edging will be right along this edge here, along the sidewalk. And then I'm going to come back around and try to straighten this edge out really nice right here. And then maybe we'll go ahead and give it a try along this edge here as well and see how it performs. Here's how it looks after edging, and this was my first time using it. It actually works pretty easy, better than I thought. Now we'll go ahead and try and hit this area here. That turned out really nice as well. It's a lot easier to use than I thought it would be. It holds a nice line. It cuts a nice edge. You know, there's a little bit of grass here, but that's growing in to the crack here, so if you can get that cleaned up. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of this area right through here now. Here it is after I went ahead with the new Ryobi's Edger slash Weed Eater. This looks a lot nicer. As you can see from the results, this lawn edger slash weed eater did a really good job. It has a high and a low setting, and I was running it on low. Yeah, it's real easy to switch it back and forth. You just depress the foot pedal here and it turns over, and now you're ready for weed eating. If you want to go into the lawn edging mode, you just tap it again and you're ready to go. The other nice thing about this is the handle is fully adjustable. You just loosen it up. You can slide the handle up or down on the shaft, as well as you can angle it where you want it. Another nice feature on this Ryobi is this is detachable. Just unscrew this and then you just pull it apart, and you got two pieces for storage, or you can get different attachments from Ryobi's website that'll also plug into this, and you can screw that back together and you'll have a different adapter. There's several different attachments that Ryobi makes for this. So now to put it back together, you just line up the two arrows, one here, one on here, and then this one here. And then simply screw this back down. And it's ready to go again. A couple of the things I really like about this are how easy it is to switch back and forth from weed eating to edging, along with you just slap the battery in it and you're ready to go. Also, there's no noise. It's very quiet, as you could hear in the video, and there's no exhaust fumes. Again, this is model P2080. I'll have a link in the description where you can get yours. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.